So in order to make it so that we don't have to type in the properties each time, what do you think would be a way? A template. Does SolidWorks have template files? Let's look. Go File, Save As, and Part Template. And it puts it in this folder. It changes the path for it, and I'm going to say, I'm going to call this James. And I hit Save. And so now when I go to New, if I'm here, I just see these ones here. If I click Advanced, now there's my James. So I can use that as when I start a new file, and there are my properties. Yeah, you have to save as and pick the format as the template. But now this is just a regular part that's unnamed. So when I hit save, it's gonna ask me what I want to call it, and it's a part file. I can put it wherever I want. Okay. So just save it as a part template, and then you've got all your stuff. And so same thing with a drawing. You could save it. You could start a drawing, load your sheet format, do whatever else you want. If you want to have a node or something, and then make sure you change your settings or whatever, make sure it's in ANSI and all that, and then save that as a drawing template, and then it'll show up on that box also. Okay, make sense? Okay.